So this video is sponsored by Pionex, one of the exchanges I use all the time. It's one of the main crypto brokers to Binance, so the volume is very high. The main thing that sets them apart though is that you can use free trading bots, a variety all designed to benefit from different market behaviours, whether that's up, down or sideways. You'll get 20% off all your trading fees for life with my link in the description. And if you join the Telegram, a lot of us already use it, so if you've got questions we can try and help you out. Hello everybody, welcome back. Let's have a look at Algorand, and just first of all I admire the pullback which has taken place on the Bitcoin dominance. And again, it is a pullback. Like, I'm not calling for an alt season at this point, but relief rallies or just altcoin rallies, some will benefit more than others, but general rallies would appear to be continuing. Now obviously we've got many areas of support below us, so you know, take it for what it's worth. So, some alts, whether they are strong versus Bitcoin or not, are gonna probably see some upside during this period. And when this bounces, they will probably still see some upside as well, depending on how strong their charts are versus Bitcoin. No altcoin is created equal. This is one thing I think gets misunderstood when I reference the Bitcoin dominance chart. It's not black and white. It's not as simple as yes alts, no Bitcoin, yes alts. It's just a basic overview of, I suppose the way I say it is how to balance a portfolio size. You know, shall I have more Bitcoin or less Bitcoin? You know, shall I go into alts or shall I take profit on alts? It doesn't mean go all in or all out. Anyway, we're not here to talk about the dominance chart, although it does look quite good. We'd be looking for a bounce around 45 to maybe 44.5. Be surprised to see if we break down below 44.5 at this stage. I think continuation is most likely, but that doesn't seem to phase some of these charts. This one's an epic chart. We had a massive rally beginning of September, and then consolidation enhanced by the size of the pullback in the market. And as of today, we are poking our head just briefly, testing the water above the consolidation trend line. This doesn't mean that it'll moon straight away, however it could. It definitely could. And, you know, I've not put a horizontal line in here, but if I were to do that, it would be around here on the candle bodies, roughly around this zone here. And so it's nice to see that if this is the apex towards the end, we are breaking out, so it's less likely to be a fake out and more likely to be a genuine breakout. If you want to be super bullish on this, you could do the measured move from the mouth. And if this is the breakout, we're looking to basically make well, it's obviously not a new all-time high because Algorand's been a lot higher than this from its inception price. You know, so when it came on, it did dump. But we are looking for the upper $2, a $2.70 kind of region for this particular move. Like I say, which don't look at this and go, that's not that didn't happen in one day. You were wrong. Well, yeah, I mean, you know, I know that most of you don't think that way, but this is a general idea of a measured move anyway, and it would likely play out over some time, weeks, maybe months, but that's the target, and we're breaking out of this consolidation trend line, which is good. Turning up on the MACD as well, which is nice. We've not gone super bullish yet, and again, we've not closed this candle. Everything, you know, counts for closures. Looks like the RSI is also having a bit of a having a bit of a breakout too, so momentum of trend is kicking off as well. So it's all looking pretty good versus Tether. And also, just respect how the chart looks. Golden cross, divergence, still technically diverging. Moving averages have always been in the right place, more or less. Even, you know, since this month-long consolidation, it was so aggressive that nothing crossed bearish or negative. We'll have a quick look at the 4-hourly just for fun, and yeah, narrowly avoided the death cross there. So again, even on the 4-hourly, still managed to pull through at the last minute. So let's have a quick look versus Bitcoin. So we're at 3,000 sats at the moment. We did get our death cross on the 4-hourly, which is no big deal. Let's have a look at the daily. A daily, more or less, a little bit of a we call it squeaky bum time over here, but we did break down below the 200 exponential, but as of today we've retested it for support, which looks like to me we're looking for a breakout on here as well at some point soon. Now this also has its own consolidation trend line, to which we are still in, and if you want to break out from here, we're looking to break out over 3,420 sats. Well, as of today. I mean, this is, like I say, I'm expecting the breakout to take place over several weeks. to reach that target of around $2.70, that kind of area. And if we were to do a horizontal on this, which again is not exactly relevant because we did poke our head a little bit below it, and we do our crude measured move for the moon boys, so we can all go, yeah, that's the move, that's where we're going. You know, we've got to break out from it first. Yeah, we're looking for a nice tasty move up to just short of 6,000 sats. So doubling from where we are at right now. So yeah, pretty bullish stuff. Again, yeah, very much the same deal on our RSI. We are breaking out of the downtrend at a nice low level as well. So there's plenty of room for this to run if it wants to, and I truly do believe that it does want to. So again, I'm a spot trader. I'm not talking about leverage and things like that. So don't go, you know, like I say, harvesting your kidneys for extra capital to put into risky trades. It's completely up to you what you do. I'm not a financial advisor, but I do like the look of this chart. I hold a lot of Algo, and it's basically just staking. I see the way it's going. I see the way it's that it's a steady mover generally over time. It's not a massive gainer like some of these low cap coins we do on Kucoin and Gate.io. It's not one of those. It's slow and steady wins the race, which is one of my preferred styles of trade. Do you know, it's investment, isn't it? I haven't really traded this. I bought this when it was, you know, in its 30 cent zone. So whatever it does is good. And I suppose that is a good return so far. I mean, and it looks like it's going to continue to be a good return. But it's not been one of those ones that's blown people's minds. If people look at it and go, Algorand, yeah, whatever, man. Yeah, look at this. Look at this coin. Look at this coin. It's outperformed Algorand. Yeah, okay, but it's not about that. It's about risk to reward, and the risk to reward has always been pretty good since down at those low levels. And I've never been tempted to sell it because it would appear on the long term that it does have a good overall projection. So yeah, we'll be looking for this one to move up into the $2 and upper $2 zone towards $3, really, towards $3. And then the holy grail is obviously its all-time high. We don't know what sort of reaction it will have when it gets up there, but it is looking pretty good, and I do like the way that it's moving, and I expect to see this continuation of this move. Maybe it does push up to the all-time high. I don't know. Like I say, I'm in it for the long haul, but it does look pretty good in the short term. Right, I'm going to leave it with you there, but thank you for watching, guys. Hope you have a nice day. Take it easy.